Greetings everyone, welcome to the new video, and today we will talk about 7 most useful tips and tricks for every smartphone in this year 2022. So the first trick is a quick reconnect. In cases when you find that your phone does not have any connectivity, in that case what you can do is you can set your device on airplane mode. You just have to do what? Slide down and hit this airplane button and then wait for a few seconds. Recommended is to wait for 15 to 20 seconds, and after that you have to switch off the airplane mode, and in no time you will receive your connection very quickly. The next trick is rapid redial, and as this suggests, this single trick helps you to redial the latest number that you called once again in no time. All you have to do is hit the call button and it will show you the latest number that you dial, and you can redial it in no time. The next trick is the one which will help you save 8 to 10% of your battery, and that is to put your device on dark mode. Now to do that you have to go to your settings, you have to search for display, and then you have to switch your device to dark mode, and in no time you will literally save 8 to 10% of your battery in a snap. The next setting will help you to switch off notifications for a particular application you don't want to receive notifications from. For that you have to go to your settings, you have to go to apps, and then you have to search for manage apps, and then you have to search for the application that you don't want to receive your notifications from, and then there you will receive notification section, and then you have to just uncheck the show notification bar, and then you will not receive any notifications from this app. The next trick will help you to quickly search any single thing you want to search. For that you will have to scroll down and go to your settings, you will have to go to home screen, then you have to go to the home screen section, and here you will find a swipe up to home screen to open search. You have to check it, you can slide up to go and search whatever you want to search. This next trick will help you to easily navigate and easily use symbols on your device's keyboard. For that you have to go to the settings, and then you have to search for the symbols section. You will have to click on that, and from now on you can just press the letter to find any single symbol you want to use, like this. Thanks for watching our video. Now if you like the video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and it's me Krish signing off from Gossipfunda. Have a good day.